So today I had to replace my door handle cable to open the inside door handle, interior handle. I wasn't able to open my door, and it turns out the cable leading to this latch from this handle was broken. So I got a new cable from Volkswagen Audi. I got this cable right here. This is how it looks like. This is the part that's going to latch into the latch, and this is the hook that's going to go into the handle. Anyways, some of the tools you do need to open this door, I have another video you can take a look how to get the door panel out. It's very straightforward, very easy. You got about 4 screws to remove, and you got to pry the door handle out. Anyway, to open the door panel, you're going to need, of course, it's a T25, okay? And then to remove these screws here, you're going to need an M8, I think it's a 10 or 12 points. And you basically can open these. The reason I don't make videos of opening screws is because I'm sure if you are working on your car, at least you know how to open screws. Anyway, I don't waste time like that. I just want to make the videos short, more informative, and get to the point. Anyways, let's see once they take the latch out and attach the cable to it. I'll make a short video of that as well. So what I did is I removed this cover, and I can see inside. This is the hook where you're going to attach. Anyway, sorry about the shaky video. Anyway, so you can see that the attachment link is right here. This is where your rubber grommet is going to go and twist, and then you take the cable all the way back. Right here is a locking point where you push the cable in and you're all set. I would like to make the video of that, but it's one hand and it doesn't work so good. Here you go. So here it is. As you can see. Perfect. Here's how it attaches onto the lever itself, to the latch. And cable follows, and you attach the actual mount part and twist this one down, and it locks. That's all you need to do. After that, you attach the latch back in here, put your screws on. You don't want to start unplugging things. I don't like unplugging things because these cars have lots of sensors for the windows and things, and they stop working for auto close and auto open. So I keep everything plugged in, just batteries disconnected, and you work. Once you're done, everything is back the way it was before. So from here, all we need to do is I took this panel out. I'm going to run the cable in here. Come on, dear, listen to me. There's a grommet that comes out. This one is simply a push in. There is nothing to it. There are no screws holding it. There you go. It'd be a miracle if I could do it with one hand. Okay, and then this guy here, you can pull it out. The tabs. There you go. Just enough to lock it on the edge. It has to be with 2 hands, I'm sorry, but right here you can put your cables where they were. Make sure to put them in their proper latches. Here's my cable. This part was broken. This is the one that broke off. It happens over time, I guess. Car has hundreds and thousand miles, so here you have it. Everything is installed. I'm going to put the door panel back on, and work is done. I think it took no more than 30 minutes for me. to complete this, and the cost was only the cost of the cable, which I bought original. It was $34, and rest is your labor. So if I had to do for this work for someone, I would say I wouldn't charge any more than $150, including parts and labor. So best of luck to you if you have this issue, and thanks for watching.